Impact of point of view on marketability. Unlocking success in publication. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of creative writing. Specifically, we're going to explore the link between the point of view and a narrative and its impact on the marketability of your work. As writers, we always strive to connect with our readers. But did you know that the point of view you choose can significantly influence how well your work sells? Let's uncover this together. Point of view is the lens or perspective from which a story is told. It determines who is speaking or thinking in a story. The main types include first person, I walk to the park. Second person, you walk to the park. Third person, limited, he walked to the park, thinking about his childhood. Third person, omniscient, he walked to the park. Meanwhile, across town, Maria was making breakfast. 1. Relatability and intimacy. First-person narratives can create a deep sense of intimacy and connection. This can make the reader feel they're living the story. However, it might not be ideal for stories where multiple perspectives are key. 2. Versatility. Third person allows for a broader view, moving between characters and settings. It can appeal to readers who enjoy complex plots and multiple storylines. 3. Uniqueness and niche markets. Second-person narratives are less common, making them stand out. However, they might appeal to a niche audience, limiting widespread marketability. 4. Genre expectations. Some genres have a dominant POV. For example, many young adult novels use first-person for immediacy, while epic fantasies often opt for third-person omniscient. Research your genre, understand what's popular and why. Tailoring your POV choice to genre expectations can enhance marketability. Consider your target audience. Who are you writing for? Younger audiences might prefer the intimacy of first person, while mature readers may appreciate the depth and breadth of third person. Stay true to your story. Sometimes, marketability considerations should take a backseat. If a specific POV feels right for your narrative, trust your instincts. Choosing the right point of view is a delicate balance between artistic expression and market considerations. Remember that while marketability is important, staying true to your voice and the needs of your story is paramount. Here's hoping this video sheds some light on the intriguing connection between POV and publication success. Until next time, happy writing!